Arabic is very, very simple. Start speaking Arabic from making sentences with some verbs. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You're welcome back to our channel, Learn Arabic with Ease. Today, don't forget to stay tuned to stay to the end of this lesson so that you can start speaking with Arabic language. Today, we are going to be talking about a very important verbs in Arabic, that is al-fa'il. And what is that verb? The verb is haddasa. That is, it is from the root letters ha, dal, and sa. Haddasa. These are the three root letters for this word, for this verb, haddasa. And haddasa means, it can mean to tell, to narrate, or to inform. You can see we have many meaning for this only one word in Arabic. This is one of what will ease the affair of your journey to the land of speaking fluent Arabic. The word haddasa can mean many words: to inform, to tell, to narrate, or to convey, and many other meanings it has. Now, let's start with this. Haddasa. This is the word that is in the past. In the This is the past tense. Haddasa. That is, he informed. If we are to use to informed, he informed. This is the present tense. You haddisu. That is, you can say he informs or he is informing. Now, tahdisan, that is the verbal noun. The verbal noun, that is where the word is even, where it was derived from. Tahdisan, look at haddasa, which is past tense. Past tense, you haddisu, present tense, and tahdisan, which is verbal noun. Verbal noun. Now, I've said the meaning of this word haddasa, that is to inform, to narrate, or to tell. That is the word. Now, as far as this word is concerned, this verb is concerned, it has many words that are synonymous. That is, they have the same meaning with this same word haddasa. Now, let's take it one by one. Synonyms in Arabic, it's called mutarodifat. Mutarodifat, that is synonyms. Synonyms. This is mutarodifat. Now, some of the words that are